Will now be recorded.
I did not get it. Happy afternoon. Okay, okay. Okay. Let me go. Okay, yesterday we are in events part. Seems. There is nodes. Yeah. We done functions and we done events. Next, attribute manipulation. Attribute manipulation. There are multiple methods. One is set attribute. One is get attribute. One is remove attribute. Set attribute, get attribute, remove attribute. These are the three important methods we have to work out. Okay, first we go with the set attribute. When we are setting attribute, we have two parameters. One is the attribute name, attribute value. And the get attribute also, only single parameter. Just we have to specify the attribute name. Once we specify the attribute name, automatically it will get it. Remove attribute means I need to remove the particular attribute name. Here also a single parameter we have to give. Right. Let me go. Set attribute first. Already there. Already there, set attribute. We already done. We already done. Get attribute. Get attribute we done. Set attribute where? We already have the attributes, huh? We already done attributes, it seems. Am I clear?
No, sir, we didn't do.
This is not our folder. Let's wait. Okay, anyway, continue. If you don't remember, set attribute. Set attribute. Okay. So there is a paragraph. There is content inside the paragraph. What my requirement is, I took a button. When I click on the button, I just want to set attribute for paragraph. Set attribute for paragraph. When I click on button, I need to set one attribute for paragraph. Okay. For button on click, I'm writing. For button on click, I'm writing. On click. For on click, function, something like function. Let me implement this function in the script. Function, func. Okay, what I want to do for this? When I click on the button, I want to set one attribute for the paragraph. Let me write some attribute in the CSS. Let me write some attribute in the CSS. Style open, style close. dot Mohansh dot Mohansh. This Mohansh is having some properties. Background color black, color will be white. Color is text color. Okay. Okay. When I click on the button, I want to set attribute for paragraph. Okay. Document dot get elements by tag name. Name of the tag is paragraph. P of 0 dot set attribute. Set attribute. For this set attribute, I need to give the attribute name. Attribute name is class. Attribute value is, what is the attribute value? Mohansh. I want to set a class attribute with the Mohansh value. Mohansh is already declared in the CSS. Mohansh already declared in the CSS. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Mohansh attribute is a class attribute already that is having some CSS already implemented in the style sheet. When I click on the button, okay, I need to give the parenthesis now. When I click on the button, function will call. And function, we have the handler document dot get elements by tag name p of 0 set attribute name called class, and Mohansh is the value. We execute it. Open in the live server. Okay, when I click on the button set attribute got set. Can you see? When I click on the set attribute, CSS added. Let me show. Inspector. You can see here in this, the body part for the paragraph. For the paragraph, any class is available here now? No class is available. When I click on set attribute, one class got added. One class got added with value called
Okay.
Mohansh. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, I want to go for remove attribute or get attribute. Get attribute. Take new, paste, get attribute. Dot HTML. Okay, attribute already available. So class already available. Class called Mohansh. When I click on get attribute, when I click on get attribute button, I want to retrieve the attribute. Dot get attribute. That attribute name called class. That's all enough. Execute it. Open with the live server. Already class was there, already added. When I click on the get attribute, okay, I want to save this attribute into one variable. Otherwise, I can't able to see. attr is equal to var attr alert attr. Okay, Mohansh. What is the name of the class? What is the name of the class? Mohansh. Get attribute. Next, I want to remove the attribute. Same program, button name change. Remove attribute. Dot html. Now this time already attribute is available, but I want to remove it. Attribute. Okay. Dot remove attribute. attribute name called class. Save it. Already attribute is there available, but I want to remove it. When I click on the button, I want to remove it. Open with the live server. Already attribute added. When I click on the remove, it was removed. Can you see in the inspector? Go to the inspector. Open the body. Our paragraph class is available now. Our paragraph class is available now. But when I click on the remove attribute, class removed. When I click on remove attribute, class removed. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, so with these attributes, I will work with image. Okay, when I do mouse over, I need to change the image.
Probably some internet connectivity issue with the sir, I believe. Let's wait for some time.
Maybe we need to rejoin.